Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got really something exciting to share with you all guys. Today I have got a very amazing method that make your English perfect beautifully. That make your English amazing, awesome. Imagine you have the superpower that makes your English speaking easy peasy. Well, this method is just like that. How many people want to speak in English? How many people want to learn this language? Almost everyone. If you are watching this video, it means you also want to be fluent. You also want to get the fluency in English. But here the question is, do you give the perfect time to learn this language? All of know that English is a language, not a subject. We have to give much time to learn this language. Let me tell you my own example. I have been speaking this language for 1 year. Do you watch something different from one video to till? Yes, I am improving. So this is the way. As much as you have to give the time, you will improve. Don't think that you will improve in a day. No, it takes years and years to be fluent. Many people search on Google how to speak English in a day. Are you serious to learn about this language? I don't think you are serious. You are not serious. Why I am telling you this? Because any language can't be learned in a day. Nobody can learn this language in a day. I have been speaking this language for a year. I am heading towards to complete this year and I am improving. You can watch my first video or now. I am improving. But I am improving gradually, not in a day. It's not an overnight process. You will take more time. Many people search on Google that how to be fluent in English in a day. No, this is not. This is not exactly happened. You have to work on it. In order to get fluency, you have to put effort to learn this language. First, you need to learn some basic sentences. In a day, you can just learn only basic sentences by reading or by listening. But you can't be fluent in English only in a day. Is it possible? Do this. Do this. Do to yourself 24 hours and learn. And tell me that, ma'am, I can learn this language in a day. No, nobody can learn this language in a day. It takes more time. Why do you search? Why do you waste your time? Do you have ample time? I don't have ample time. Or I don't think everyone has ample time. No, you are just wasting your time. Why? Why you are wasting your time? If you are serious about to learn this language, I am going to give you a technique that you can improve, but not overnight. It will take time, but definitely you will improve. So today I am going to share with you amazing technique. This is called jam technique. Now, many of people would be thinking that what is a jam technique? I am not talking about the fruity jam. This is not a fruity jam. I am talking about the technique is just a minute. Recently I took the challenge for 30 days challenge, and in that challenge I spoke about for a minute, just a minute. And you can watch, you can learn from my challenge. I spoke about natural things. I ask a question to myself and answer. This challenge can also help you. Yes, this challenge can be helpful for you. Just go and watch. Now, let me show you how you can speak about just a minute. Only a minute. What things you can speak about only a minute? You know one thing? You are wasting your every minute. Do you have any idea how much you are time spoiling, wasting? You don't have any idea. Each and every minute you are wasting, and this time will not come. You must have heard that time will never come back. Please don't waste your time. Try to speak just a minute. Let me show you how you can utilize your a minute to speak in English. Let's talk about what makes a great businesswoman. She is strong, confident, adaptable. She talks well. She leads the vision. And she is a problem solver. She is hardworking. She works hard. And she loves what she does. She is adaptable. She can do what that she decides. She is also kind, listen to others, and she makes friends easily. She knows how to do the work. She is organized and know it very well how to things get done, and she plans ahead for the future. She is always open to new idea, creative, and not afraid to try new things. She is honest, does what right, and treat people very well. And these qualities makes her businesswoman. Now, let me ask you one thing. How much will I take to speak some sentences about the great businesswoman? You tell me, how much will I take time? So in my way, if I took 1 minute, might be you can take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. What? You want to learn English now? You are serious about to learn this language. You have to put effort to learn this language. If you want to learn this language, who will put effort for you? No one. If other person put effort to learn this language, it means he will get fluent, not you will. You have to put effort to learn English, to be fluent. So, please give some heart to your tongue to speak about much and much and much. As much as you speak, you will improve gradually. Not will take more time, but it will take time. Let me tell you, don't burden on your shoulder. You want to learn this language, enjoy this journey. Don't bore and don't make this process, this journey bore. Enjoy the journey. You make mistake, it's okay. You make grammar mistake, it's okay. The grammar will improve with the time, no problem. But you have to take step. You have to speak. You have to give some pain to your tongue to learn this language. Speak out loud. Try to speak. You have to speak to learn this language. And in order to learn this language, you have to speak, speak, and speak. There is no other way to learn this language. You have to speak at anyhow. You can use the mirror technique, or you can use the jam technique, or if you have any technique, you can use what you like it. But ultimately, you have to speak, speak, and speak. You have to give the pain to your tongue to learn this language because you want to fluent in English. There is no other way to learn this language, and there is no overnight success. You have to put effort. Success is not an overnight process. You have to achieve it gradually with the time. You have to put effort to learn this language. Don't waste your time. Each and every minute is very precious. You will not get this time anymore back. No, you will not get. So please utilize your every minute to learn this language if you are serious about to learn this language. If you are not serious about to learn this language, then do other works. Don't watch any videos, English videos. Don't do anything if you are not serious about to learn this language. But if you are serious about this language, to learn this language, please put a little bit effort to learn this language and don't make your journey bore. Sometimes when it comes to speaking in English in front of the person, the feeling of butterflies in our stomach started. I don't know what was that feeling. I don't know what is that feeling. But we started anxious, hesitate, and whenever we are in that situation, we always want to run away from that place. Whenever the feeling start in our stomach. Which feeling? Butterfly in your stomach. What is a butterfly in your stomach? Anxious, hesitation. You want to go away from the person you are speaking with. That is a butterfly is in your stomach. So why is this method make you cool? Because this method make your English beautiful like a game. You will enjoy. Use this. Talk about only on a 1 minute and please check to yourself how much you are speaking or what you are speaking. What is your postures, gestures, or your confidence. Just look at that. While speaking English, you can record yourself. After finishing your speaking, you have to watch yourself, analyze yourself, and watch where you are making mistake. And next day, you have to improve on those areas. You have to analyze where you are making mistake, where you are expressing wrong way or other way, where you should not do. You have to improve that situation. You have to improve. You have to analyze yourself and then you have to improve yourself. First, you have to analyze your video where you are making mistake, where you are taking the wrong postures. Then next day you have to keep it in your mind so that you cannot make the same mistake next day. Got it? So this will help you to improve your English. Remember always one thing. Practice makes perfect. Spend just a minute to improve your English, to get fluency, and you will become a superhero in no time. You will not regret after utilize this time. You will not regret. You will never ever regret because you are using your time. You are spending your time to learn something new. Got it? I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope this method, this video will help you to learn this language. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.